Okay, hello Mike, Kara. Today I'm going to show you guys how to clean up your front page. You guys are posting articles just fine. However, as you can see, it takes a little bit of work to get it to look nice. Even though it's very simple to post pictures and articles, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make it look nice like this one over here that I posted. So here is what the front page looks like now. Have a look because I'm going to clean up these two here, and I'm going to show you how I do it. And this here, this one without any picture, I'm going to let you go ahead and fix that one, just so you can get some hands-on experience. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to open our photo editor. Now, keep in mind, if we want to model our front page after this particular one on the right, which by trial and error I came up with this size here, and I think it looks nice. You can go ahead and change that, but I think we'll stick to this for right now, and in the future I'll show you guys. But I just want to show you a tutorial on how to get this effect here, and when you click on it, how to get a nice sized picture in here. So let me go back. So what we're going to do is we are going to always start, what we want our target photos to be 931 pixels wide by 524 pixels. So, and I'll send you a link to that. But we're going to open our photo editing program. If you don't have one, I'm going to show you how to get one installed. But I want to show you the process of getting your articles to look nice. So we're going to do a new, and we're going to type in our pixels, 931 by 524. We're going to hit OK. Now we have a blank canvas right here. So the next thing we want to do is, now we want our pictures to fit inside of here, whether it's smaller or larger and we have to shrink it, we need it to fit inside of here. So what we're going to do now is open up the first picture. We'll go into the content, and that happens to be this marine one here. Okay, it's going to open up. We're going to do a Control A, which is select all, and we're going to copy that. We're going to go into our other document and we're going to paste it in there. As you see, it doesn't fit. That's why it doesn't look that. Or we'll turn the background layer off as well. So what we're going to do now is resize this, and this is just giving you an overall idea of how I get them to look nice. We're going to resize it to fit inside perfectly where we need it. We're going to apply that. So that one's done. We're going to go ahead and save that as a JPEG. Okay, and we'll call that one picture one. Picture one is now done. Okay, so what we're going to do now is go to our Armalido admin area, go to the media section and add new. And what we're going to do is just simply drag and drop that new photo that we just made, pick one, into this area right here. And as you see, it was uploaded. It's called picture one. I think yep, it's done. Okay, we're going to go to the news section now, and we're going to edit that one. Click on news. And that first one is, actually it's the lecture series. Okay, we're going to go to lecture series at Moat and click edit. It's going to bring us to the article page, which you guys did a good job. There's a couple of things I wanted to point out that why it wasn't looking right. You forgot to click a category over here, so we're going to click general. We have to assign our news to the front page news is always in general. And the featured image, we're going to remove it because it wasn't formatted properly. That's the old one. Okay, once it's gone, we're going to reset the new one, and we're going to click on picture 1, and that's it, picture 1, as you see right here, which is the formatted, the correctly sized format. We're going to click set featured image. Everything else will remain the same. We've assigned a category, we've sized our picture properly, and we're going to hit update. Once that's done, let's go to the front page and see how it looks. Go right here and hit refresh. And as you see, it fits in there perfectly, and it looks a lot nicer than what it was before. So if we click on that and go into the detail page, it's still a little bit nice. It's still a little bit big. Let me go ahead and refresh that. Let me do a refresh because I think it's pulling from the cache, and it is. Okay, and there it is. And it's formatted a little bit nicer. So we are going to do that with the next one. I'm going to walk you through it one more time. So as you see, we got the shark one looking nice. We got this one looking nice. This one's going to be a little bit of a challenge because it's really small. So what we're going to do is get back into our photo editing program, close out this and that. We're going to start over again. We're going to say File, New, and I'm going to give it a transparent. I should have done that. Transparent background. 931 pixels by 524 pixels. That's our target size, only for the front page. There's our blank canvas. We're going to open up whatever picture we want to resize. Happens to be this logo here, Sarasota Bay. Now as you see, that's really small. However, we're going to try to work with it and scale it up. Press Control A to select all, Control C to copy. We're going to get back into the full size one and paste it in there. As you see, it looks a little bit small, so we're going to scale it up a little bit. Let's scale it up right about there. Center it and hit apply. It looks alright. Let's go ahead and save that out. We're going to save that as a JPEG. Oops, I'm sorry. JPEG there. Let's call that picture 2. And hit save. Okay. Now we go back to our news section right here. And that particular article is Sarasota Bay, okay, which is right there. Click edit. Now on this one, again, you forgot to click the general category. That's okay. We just want to do that so it adds a little tab at the bottom on the front page and also categorizes them well. Let's go ahead and remove that old picture. And let's add the new one called picture 2. Which I forgot to upload, so I'm just going to drag picture 2 right over in that window. A little shortcut. And it's already highlighted, as you see. Set featured image right there, and we're going to click update. Okay, let's go back to the front end of the website and click refresh. And now, as you see, all the pictures are the same size. Okay, and it's starting to look a little bit more uniform. One thing I will suggest, because the site is dynamic, and that means and responsive, which means it's meant to be displayed differently on different devices, try to keep your titles here to the same length. Essentially to keep these boxes the same size. So You'll just have to come up with a best practice for that. And if you notice that if you can't extend this title here, you may want to add just a little more content here to keep them roughly the same size. So now you got three pictures that are uniform and look nice. Also, you see that the categories down here are now listed. And I'm going to go ahead and leave this one for you guys to do, just so you can get some hands-on practice. I'm sure you'll have to rewind this video to watch, but um, that was it, click for click. If you don't have Photoshop and you need help installing it, give me a call tonight, 813-340-3734. Thanks. Have a great day, guys.